In this video, I'll show you how to add services to your LinkedIn profile, as well as which services you should add to your LinkedIn profile in order to attract clients. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to explain what you should do with your services section. Then we're going to get into how to actually add your services to your profile. So first of all, your services section helps potential clients find your profile, and your services section also tells profile viewers how you can help them, because when people search for a service that you have in your profile, you will come up in LinkedIn search results. So keep that in mind. Here's what you should include in your services section: the 5 main services you're currently offering, because adding any more than 5 services will confuse profile viewers. Even if you offer a bunch of services, because you do a bunch of stuff like myself, keep your profile simple by only including 5 services. You'll have way more success by telling potential clients about your other services after you get them on a sales call and actually get them into your sales funnel. Don't confuse them up front, get them into your sales funnel, and then you can give them more information if they need it. Keeping your profile simple and clear will get you more sales calls. So this is how you add services. Let's go to my test profile. At this point, you add a profile section. Then you go to add services. As I told you, you'll get found in search results when people look for those services. Then you click continue, and then you can just add a service. So let's say I'm adding content strategy as a service. I'll type in content strategy. That will come up, and then you can find other services or skills that you have that you provide as a service, and then you click done. You can also add more information about the service if you want to, but I don't think that's necessary, as well as you can add pricing, and you can allow people who are not connected to you to contact you for these services. But really, I don't like this whole service feature on LinkedIn. I think it's just much better to build your own sales funnel or get people to just DM you, because the way that it works is a bit weird. So here, if we refresh, we should see our services. As you can see down here, we've got services, and then it says content strategy. And then if we were to go to our profile from someone else's perspective, like so, we can then scroll down, show all services, and then here's where you can like request services and be like, okay, this is what I want to do. You can do a proposal, but I really don't like the system, so I wouldn't suggest using this to actually get people to hire you for your services. I would use this so that people can find you when they search for your services. If you want to turn views into followers and turn followers into clients, you can do that by optimizing your LinkedIn profile using my LinkedIn profile optimization checklist. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description to download that. And it's absolutely free, so you've got nothing to lose except for the opportunity to grab this download while it's still free and available, because it won't be free and available forever. Click that link and download this checklist now. If you've got any questions or any other tutorials you want me to make, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video.